So when you say Dr. Love, fret them, pretty girl star, you don't know say a SWAT team that's straight. You know say a progress represent. Dr. Love, big up yourself. Can watch you know. When you look back to where you was, couple years ago to where you are now. SWAT team say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Them say thank you, Father God. Probably.
No matter who them come for, who them try to fight with, they carry it back around to Puss. Because Puss are the big fish. If you argue with Puss, you will be noise and Romans. You feel me?
She ain't nobody to argue with, though. I said what I said, but I'm not gonna argue with her. She ain't nobody to argue. Bitch, I want to argue with the celebrities, bitch. I want to argue with the bitch that got
that's
something,
what I'm saying. It's
I don't
stupid.
want to argue with
said people where you talk to, you go back and then I am them. I mean, I'm in a that. But me know if something offend me so bad, I'm not gonna throw word at nobody. I'm talking and I'm calling name because that's what boss bitches and bad bitch do. Don't chat shit. And that's why I don't entertain Sky Williams because, like Mr. Sky Williams, she's not saying push. She just a throw her words. And I words as me say.
Because she a punk.
Every morning, me not get no vex, no vex. And you know me already.
The Batty mans, the gay men that's over there in Spain, they dress better than fucking Love Sanders, and you're a real girl. She's full of hate.
I don't think she have who to argue with. She hear me tell her. I don't know. She never know say it was my same live. Most times she come from one time she bring down the dirty people then. So it's no difference now. This is where everybody come and bring down everybody.
Exactly.
So she's not supposed to have
be on your live when she bring them
with
down.
it. Because in a year's here, she came and bring them down. Here, everybody came and bring them down. So it's a platform. So if you can talk, you don't have to keep every time I put it, turn the argument to me because, as me say, I'm not interested. Because let me tell you this. Another first, Love Saunders agreed, another the last, another the third, another the fourth. And she, listen, what she don't understand that she have this whole heap of big brain and this whole heap of big talk. No, and it make no sense to me. Because
that be lies, Puss. She fake, that be a facade.
Because if you have all these big, you call name. You're shot forward to them. Tell them you're shot forward today. I say she don't have the underage daughter breed, and she don't have no son. The police are locked down. So me know being all the fun of mine want to take them one day.
Oh, so who she was talking about you?
I mean, she talk,
but she don't say no name.
No, she never say no name. But I know it's me she's talking.
Cause she's a punk. She's weak. Bitch,
that's what I'm saying. But at the end of the day, I do not respond. I just sit slowly. I do not because as I said, it's not the first I hear she said it, and not the third. It's more than 1, 2 times. So she didn't call me name. Maybe she cannot refer to somebody, but we don't know. Nobody else started at grade 15. We don't know nobody else. Somebody get locked up. So that one fit me. So I took that, but again, it cannot be, it must be me, but 90% I think it's me, 99% I think it's me, she attack.
And she always started shit.
But if the 1% she said on me, fair enough, because only a coward talk behind people back and a coward free to call people in. If I have something to say about Love Saunders, I'm going to state it and I'm going to call her name because me is not a pussy. And I'm not got me afraid when time me I talk about people. You think me a throw word upon people, make them know say of them me a talk. Me I make you know say Love Saunders, I'm speaking to you.
Exactly.
I'm calling names.
Straight up.
That's what bad bitches do. I don't throw word. But as me say, I heard her, but I keep my mouth. Me say me beat my mouth to them. Me say, Puss, lock your mouth. Zip your mouth. Zip your mouth.
She needs to sweep in front of her own door.
It don't have to be me. It don't have to be me. But as she see me come on the live for 2 minutes, me hear she said it, and at the first me hear she said it. Me have people send it to me more than one time, and I ignore it. But now me hear it for myself.
So but she want to worry about your life, but she need to worry about her brother being deported, and she taking care of the kid. She need to worry about her son. She need to worry. She got.
I don't have not, as I said.
I'm gonna say
none of my team them can know. I don't talk about this lady. I don't discuss about this lady. As I said on the live, we're not done. Britney Cake, we're not done. Love Saunders, we're not done. We're not done. It don't look good, we're not done. And that's where I leave it. If Britney or Keiko don't feel like they want to done, and they're not satisfied by rubbing her out, and they want to rub it out, they have them own big people, they can do what they do. If she want to continue with them manufacture beef and rub them out, she rub them out. It have nothing to do with me. Because they all can manage themselves.
Right, and she can't rub nobody out. She lost when she said that those people house is hers and it's not hers.
Because let me tell you something, rich bitches.
Credible.
When you're rich bitches don't talk what they have. When you have things, you don't show off what you have. These people doing things like, oh my God, they're so fucking frightened. Like, bitch, these bitches used to nothing. Like, do you see how rich people do this? Do you see motherfucker that with money doing this shit? No, only we fucking wanna be.
She don't. Man, that girl.
No, a time for everything, you know. Cause you know sometimes you can do a little hype, you can do a little buzzing. You know, at time you can say, oh, I'm buzzing, I'm gonna show this, I'm gonna do that. But every fucking day, it's fucking boring now.
The lady ain't got
I don't want nobody direct no argument. I know what. You say me a blood clot change. Me a bomber rascal try to be a better person 2021.
That's good.
Me a try to left low cost in a 2020. Dog shit, big tiley, zunga gunga, dog fly, germs box. Anybody have a problem with me, you know? No try come right now, you know, like today, tomorrow and another day, you know, come before blood clot New Year's, you know. Because remember hey, I have to bring it in 2021, you know. Maybe change my blood clot, man.
Nobody don't need to go back and forth with that bitch. She ain't got nothing.
So anybody have a problem with me, when you need to go around the corner, on the deep hole, on the dark hole, on the come straight out. Straight fucking up, because if me have a problem with you, if me have a problem, as I said, I have no problem with Love Saunders. But if Love Saunders have a problem with me, don't show no shade or no words. Come, I just as a big woman.
I got a problem with the bitch. I'm waiting on her to pull my foul out. And it better
you understand? Don't come show no word on me, because I'm not interested in that true word, Jordan. Like I said, 48-year-old, still there road. Me not for dream say me have nothing. Me not for dream say this is mine, that is mine. Me tired for telling you. Me will skin out back way, front way, underneath the blood clot tell for my grandchildren then. If they even breed when them at 20.
It don't matter when the fuck they breed.
They
the one gotta take care of them. Not nobody else. Not nobody in Canada gotta take care of them. The fuck?
Tough a 20-year-old, a teach grade 6 children and grade 11 sometime. She's a teacher. My son in a big job, mother in a nursing big job.
We already know this. We already know
I don't have to come and brag and boast every day and what, oh my children, I don't have to do that, because let the truth expose it all self. You know?
Yeah.
Real reason expose fake people.
But they're not going to talk about that. That's what I don't like about people. They want to sit up there and pick out flaws about people, but they don't never talk about the good stuff.
If me have my son, you have 6 pitney, the 6 of them must come out to you want. If my son want to be locked up, if him choose to be locked up, tough, but the greatest thing, him have a strong mother behind him. We will pick him up. If my daughter want breed when she have 15 from a rape she get, me not dash when no belly. I bring the baby because God says so for little children to come to. I could have dashed from me two pitney them belly. I could have dashed from them belly so nobody will know them I breed. But me's not a dash your belly, mama. Me bring forth because see there, Ori come in the world to me. And see there, Madonna breed when she 15, I've already come when she 16, and Ori Madonna 26-year-old now, and she have her head on her body. When her 2 job, her focus on the future.
I don't care who breed when they early. I don't care. That's not my business. That's not my responsibility.
Because you stop through indirect. Let me tell you something. You know, I have it up to blood clot this. I have it up to this with you. Cause when people send it to me, I'm something I like hear say. I mean, I like hear for myself. So back the fuck up, bro. Please and thanks. Cook the manufactured beef where you have. And eat it. I like to cook and eat.
Exactly.
Leave me the fuck alone. Straight up. Please. I'm not interested into a showdown with me and you. It's not gonna, I don't want, not saying that gonna happen because you know me already. I'm not interested. Please don't. I'm not interested. Me and you don't have nothing. Me notice you throw what I throw. Stop throw word. If you have something to say about me, you say it about me. You call me name. I was gonna write up on your life today, you know. I'm a write, I'm a delete it.
And this happened today?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
I'm a write up and you go say no, leave it.
Wow. And she the same bitch used to come on your live to rub somebody else out. That's how we know about Love Saunders, from your page. We ain't never know who the fuck she was.
So it's not nobody have to tell me not me hear it for myself.
Wow. That bitch ain't got
because she had taught something. She said she had educate something and then she see me come out and she talk to me and then she talk, oh, nobody, my children them not breed before time and the police and ray. And like me said, girl, 99% me know me talk, lady. Me choose not to answer you. I choose not to answer you. Because if me answer it, I go over in 2021.
Yeah, don't.
Come is like a blood clot. No worse than termite.
So, but she didn't address the people that was made a live about her. They made a whole live about her. I was in front of the live. They was talking about my
she can't say she talk about the people them. Cause none of the people them not have no underage somebody have pitney.
And she worried about you, and you didn't even press your live about
none of the people them no have me no bad to bad. No have no underage pitney called jail. So bad to bad beat a man and give him right. Let me tell you something. I've been doing this for years. I know when people are true, but because me not count you. You're countless.
Exactly.
So back the fuck up, man. Stop. If you understand, stop. I'm not interested. And as me tell you before, when me come off from my life, me and Kate gonna talk about you. Me and none of my team them not talk about you. You're not the topic. You're not the headline.
You ain't nobody to talk about, lady.
So I don't see why y'all say, oh, yeah, I'm swear them I do. Nobody doing nothing to you. You and them arguing it done.
Delusional.
No, that's no continue with us, with you. We always switch the topic to something different. Because we are saying, no, it don't make no sense. Leave her. He one time came and said, no, Puss. Me I said, no, man, appear on my man, leave her. He said, like, can you come out Sunday and I rub her out? I
know that's right, Tanny.
And I call her ugly and all kind of sitting and she lied and she had the white people in house and Tanny I bring her down. She said, Tanny, leave the woman and fear her house. We could have entertained Tanny with it.
Yeah.
I make kind of Tanny. We could have entertained Tanny with it and Tanny done. I said, Tanny, come on for the woman, leave her alone. I fear her dog.
You always taking up for her though, and look how she do you. That's why you should have brought that down.
You understand me? I said,
You called my phone and asked me to just leave her. You remember
all
that?
right.
But she want to keep talking about you and throwing her
McCall,
around.
Mr. Brittany, please. It not look good. McCall Keiko, and Keiko said, no, Mr. Keiko, please. And you said, no, I'm going to jump on my life. And I said, Brittany, please. And you said, no, I don't care, auntie. And I said, Brittany, please, man, do it for me, man. Leave her, man.
But she don't know that part. That's why.
And I called. And I tell you, leave her. I tell Keiko the same thing. And Keiko said, you know, take up for those. This, that, Mr. Brittany, sometimes you have to just, look good, man, because everybody there rub the dog shit them, and then we have to go start rub sheep, please. And the woman, I understand, if I have something against this lady, I don't go on her live. If I have something against this lady, I would have blocked her. I have nothing against this woman. I have nothing. So I don't know why she keep, because then, I know big fish them want a big fish them want shark. Everybody come like a the little sprat, then come for pick up. And when you take a stop, when they get the sprat, then come for the big shark. But remember tell you something, man, that shark and a teeth and gum me a bite your way. So leave me alone.
Where does she find the time? All them jobs she doing?
Don't believe, sir. Don't believe, sir. I see word that you are. Let me tell you, a lot of time people throw, like what Keiko did say, the true award and not true award, and because people not just the first time, want to keep doing it, I don't believe. I see it with more than one time. Today I was gonna bring down your blood clot. Today.
That's what she wants you to do, Puss. Don't do it, Puss.
No, today I was gonna do it. I'm just my husband, my nice clean husband say, do not fall for nobody. Though, they said today.
Build her up.
Yeah.
You was just being nice.
Because it's good for, you see somebody that do something good and it look good. You have to learn for it.
And that's what I was doing to her. And look how she stood up there and used it against me. Girl,
you have to give other people crap. You can't see somebody that do good. You can't see somebody that do good and you don't recommend it. Or you don't. Yeah. It look good. It look better than enough people when they say, I put up food and I put up that. It look real good and that's the truth. But at the end of the day, see Christmas a tree, Christmas cake my buy.
Being nice. That shit don't be all there.
Tree Christmas cake my buy.
Everybody just buy shit. So I don't know why one person think they can just buy groceries and buy stuff. Everybody can. We would have been dead.
No. But Brittany, make England people tell you, when me buy grocery, I go to Jamaica. The Jamaica shop will sell beer Jamaican food. So it's not like I go to supermarket where I'm much cheaper. I go to Jamaican shop. Cases of peas, 6 cases of tin mackerel, 6 cases of sardine, cases of supergen, cases of this, cases, 3 cases of pigtail, 3 cases of saltfish. People in England can tell when me I push out trolley, a 3 cab I have to take up my trolley. My daughter carry on 3 cab. England people know when me I do grocery. Even when me tell the last week I go to grocery, so me go Monday, me spend 35. We go about nearly 200,000 of food and I still get nothing. We still not back in for that because in a little wine rum, I nearly $30,000. When me buy grocery, we buy a banana, 20 pounds of yam. When we go to meat shop at Jamaica, buy meat. We buy a box of chicken back.
Everybody do grocery.
20 pounds of chicken, 12 pounds of mutton, 12 pounds of that, that's some I buy. I don't know how to buy a little. And from last week, my friend Budop sent much barrel and call me. Puss Thursday, go on for grocery, Budop sent for me. You got my nice skin friend Budop.
Big up, Budop.
Yeah, Puss go on for your grocery, I send. Grocery and Budop tell me, say, Puss, I still left much grocery. Because Budop called me before, she said, Puss, what you want? I said, I don't want no rice. I want baking food. She said, bake all kind of sitting for me. Ensure all kind of sitting for me. How much sardine, bully beef, baked things and ask all know me no reach.
Mm.
So I ain't bragging though. So
no, they feel like if you don't drop it out on the internet, then it's not true, or you don't have nothing because you don't drop it out on the internet.
Don't Christmas. Me not have to talk Christmas so much of my team push them inbox me. Oh, push, we go send it this, we go send it that, we send it that, blah, blah, blah. We don't have to brag and boast.
That's because you're used to things.
So then at the day, everybody will look. You have some people now, how much people I get too much things by internet. I mean, I hear nobody talk about it, but me. But my platform for all of them want to fight, you know, see? Everybody have a problem with truth.
She got a problem with herself, and she just wants to find somebody to take it out on.
Good God, man. Now come to me, can never come to me.
I don't care what the bitch say. That bitch can say anything she want to say about me. But if y'all don't know anything about it, then how the hell she know?
You know what the Josiah is today?
Ask him for it, please.
Josiah!
She used to come in my inbox and call me about people, right? About people business.
Well, pipe something.
But as soon as she have a problem with me and go to throwing away words or throwing out words and stuff, she ain't never come in my inbox. That's how you know that she just doing it for entertainment. She doing it for knowings. Because when you have a problem with somebody, you come in their inbox and you talk to them. She usually come in my inbox. What make this time so different? That she got to put something on her story about me. Why couldn't she call me like a big woman?
I don't know why people still like that. I don't know. Come like say, I wait near me. I don't know. Anytime them and nobody have no problem, them take it from because pussies are wider scale. Okay?
I don't know why she come for me because she knows she can't compete with me. Lady, we not on the same level, lady. Y'all need to start telling that lady the truth. That's what y'all need to do. Because this lady, y'all hyped her head up so much. She thinks she's untouchable. She thinks she the shit. Y'all need to get on that live and tell her the truth. When she look like shit, y'all make sure y'all comment up under there. And let her know she look like shit. Don't be lying to that lady. Because that's what I did. I lied to the lady. I made it seem like she was somebody when she really wasn't. Even when she was lying about the house. I kept saying, oh, Love Sanders, I like your house and all those kind of things. And I knew she was lying.
Oh,
God. Telling people the truth.
Have mercy on me, Lord, as I come down to prayer. Keep me safe. Keep me safe, Lord. Have mercy.
Look at Puss, y'all. Puss don't want to hear it no more. She tired of this shit.
No, me not care. Me not care. Me not care. You don't care enough. That means them have a problem with me.
Right. So what happened to your comments? Nobody ain't write nothing.
I don't know what's happening. You want to come off and come on back so you can see the comments?
Yeah, it's a lot of people on here. Nobody comment?
Let me clear out that.
Pumpkin. Bitch, we are not the same, bitch. Stay in your lane. Stay in your old lady ass lane, bitch. You're 38 and you live your life like you fucking 83 years old. Nothing about you, Love Sanders. Nothing.
Yeah, me hear her. Only a fool with a hear her. I say I no see them attack. I heard her, Dan. Me hear her. People send it to me a lot of times. She a true what I do it. I mean, hear her. Woman of the underage daughter breed.
Disrespectful, ugly ass.
Me not have no son with police underage. I mean, I say about this woman, yeah. The people that we are beat her bad, we are put up our children, the man bring them our children, them.
Yes.
And then she focus on because if she notice, never have no conflict with her or nothing. Don't kill you. Oh, God.
But I don't never see her in the lights. I never see, when people like stuff on your page, I never see Love Saunders in the lights. But she know everything about somebody's life because she sit there and fucking watch.
Love Saunders, she don't know about Instagram, she don't know about Facebook.
She a fucking liar. But she got a whole YouTube channel.
But go back to Love Saunders video then and see. She said she never know about Instagram. She know if you turn on Instagram, but she have YouTube and she know every crap we crow, every dog we preach.
Exactly.
And when she come chat, everybody fight. But that's fair enough.
Because she a liar. That's all she do is lie.
It's not one of the bitch for people I got throw about pan. And me I got keep it quiet. She throw about pan my other team member a couple months ago and them I got bring her down and me have to beg them. Me have to take out my teeth, put in the water, make them sit, and go up on my knee like a bow wow dog fool and beg her.
You did.
And say no matter we leave her.
You did.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
I say leave her, no matter please. Then they come back with Brittany and Kate come have to beg them again. That for sure said, because it just looks so bad. The same people them where you argue, we don't argue against another set of people. 2 minutes a year and them a go down that road. It's not look good, man. It not look good. And that's the reason why I choose not to go down that road.
I never rated her like that anyways.
You know, the same people them, and if you notice, okay, I've got to talk so, but I am a fish, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Now, yeah, but if I can't cook.
I never rated Love Saunders anyways because she just lied so bad. Like, sometimes you can meet friends off of Instagram and y'all can be good friends, but I never see myself being Love Saunders' friend because she lied about the house she stayed in. That's not nobody I want to be friends with. You a wannabe. You a loser. You are a loser, lady. I can never picture myself being around you in real life. I like people that tell the truth about their circumstances. And I don't like people just about, you know, because of what they have. I like people being real. But you want to press her live about people? And you're 38 years old. You're a big woman. And you're coming on Instagram lying about what you got. Lady, you weird, yo.
They find so many time on Instagram. Them a shit Instagram. Them a piss Instagram.
But you want to talk about everybody with their mental health issues. No, bitch, you got mental health issues. You just haven't been diagnosed yet. You got bags on the wall. You faking it. You lying, going through people's drawers and saying this is your purse and that, your daughter iPad, all in them people's house, video in them people's house. Lady, you is crazy. Who does that? You need to grow up. You come on Instagram like you a big woman. You're so intelligent, this and that. Lady, you have problems. That's some weird shit. Who does that? You can't trust nobody that make it seem like their life is so perfect. You cannot trust nobody like that.
Nothing wrong if I like perfect.
It's not perfect, because if it was perfect, why would she be videoing somebody's house saying it's hers?
As we said,
she's a fucking liar. Why nobody act like they don't see through that bullshit? Well, come on, y'all. Gotta pick sense out of nonsense. I'm not perfect. That's why I told people I was from the ghetto. But as I got older, I got myself situated and got myself together. That's the only reason she could have said that I was from the ghetto. That's because I put that out there. Because I'm real. I'm not ashamed. But this lady says she a nurse. Her dad and mother still together. Everything she says about herself is good stuff. No, lady, you have flaws like everybody else. You're human.
Nothing wrong with her saying things about herself. Like everybody that big up themselves. Nothing wrong, but don't go in no trouble. You like I said.
Don't try to put nobody else's life down.
Oh my God! Anybody have to put on nobody life for them one. That means they're trying too hard. You don't need to try hard. When you have things, when you do things, you don't have to try so hard.
She tried hard. That's how you know she don't have shit.
Let me tell bitches, listen, yeah? Ain't bragging though. Let me tell you, say. Yeah? You see me there, Jamaica? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Me don't have to touch. I know me not touch a dollar in my bank book. My son, my bank book me touch. Because me and him name in there. In pound account. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
My son, Omar, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
When you out, me don't have to brag, me don't have to boast. My son, Omar, yeah? Me don't have to brag. Me telling us from 2006, Omar meet in an accident. Tear off the wall and yeah? You know him accident case when him was 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Them get how many thousand a pound. Yeah? So that's why you think say the government not come in for no money and nothing at all when them see me show my money because they know where my money come from.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? So the end of the deal, we don't have to brag and we don't have to boast because people have things don't brag and boast.
Exactly.
People have things. Food is something that you have to eat.
To survive. Exactly.
These are priority.
That ain't
these
nothing.
Things like every day, everything priority things. These are everyday things we have to use every day. Why the fuck you need to kill out yourself over it every day and I chat shit about it every day?
Cook way too much food. Way too much food.
My dog.
Ugh.
Ooh, my cat.
That's gluttony.
Ooh, I have to. Let me tell you something, man. When bitch start bad, me I leave legacy. You think me I have nothing in a white man country where me not where them can fling me out anytime and chat shit, oh, who getting deported and who getting deported and who born here and it doesn't matter where you're born on a black. No matter if you no pick me born a foreign. Then class them as Jamaican, as the rat attack start. All black people have to go back at the promise, go back where they come from. I want to run, come at the promised land, Jamaica land and the blood clot promised land. Out of many people, Jamaican have every nation in it. We Jamaican are the promised land. I'm gonna brag over some fucking thing don't make sense. My kids are Canadian, my kids are British, my kids are American,
and
my
they
kids
ugly.
are Shut the fuck up.
She can't brag about
Shut the
shit.
fuck
Her
up,
kids
bro.
ugly.
Shut the fuck up. We are all black people. When these white people ready for us, we are all. Not care much kids you have born there. Not care much kids you have born there. Then class we black people are shit house. Dog shit, we need to leave. We need to fucking leave. You have black Mexican and them are Mexican. They're born there and they have to leave. They have to leave. Stop this fucking nonsense, man. It's nonsense, man. I want to have a little Instagram war. I want to take it to a different level. I want to take it to a food war, to a barn war. I want to take it to some level where it don't even make sense.
She don't want to do the most. She don't want to talk about people's kids, bringing up people's kids. Yeah, everybody has done it in the past.
Stop,
but
man. Nobody
38 years old keep talking about fucking people's kids and worrying about fucking cakes being dropped out, this and that. Bitch, you supposed to be happily married, bitch. You supposed to be happily married. You call yourself married, but you always on Instagram and bullshit. weren't watching out people's life and worrying about what the fuck they have going on. Bitch, don't worry about what the fuck we have going on. Bitch, worry about your old fucking man and all the jobs you
I'm not even interested in these people because tell us something, sir. As me say, anybody have a problem with me, just talk right now, man, because when I want to charge nothing here.
It's the 28th push. You got time. Fuck that bitch. Sometimes you gotta stand up for yourself. People throwing words around. You gotta stand up for yourself. Let nobody say nothing. She not better than you. She ain't better than none of us. Fuck
you know, sometimes, you know, let me tell you this, you see? Let me tell you something. You know, say, you ever see some people attack and you know look on them and you know, give them the noise. Barris, they delusionist, you understand?
Yes.
Favor, she answer, she answer, equal of what they do. Your life is great. You understand me, I say, because me know word are true, but as I said.
But what did she do to you? What did you do to her for her to throw around words? Why she so mad at you?
Remember, she mad at me from before she even come on the live. You know, see the video that she used to make about me one time. They said, dirty people used to make it and send it. And me should be mad at her. Me should have been mad at her, but that's what she say. My heart is clean. Me should be mad at her, but I don't care. Because as me say, that's in the fucking past. I'm not interested. So keep your focus on your energy on who you have it on. Back up the fuck off me, bro. Don't come for me, bro.
Exactly.
Because my comfort now gonna be easy. And my comfort I gonna go right over in a 2021.
Man, people already pulled her foul. Everybody know everything about her. She ain't nobody to even argue with, to be honest. They brought her down to the ground.
Just back up off of me. Me don't want no. Listen. I'm not interested. I'm not beef with nobody. Can't now put no food on the table. And let me tell you something.
I don't have no beef with her neither. I just want her to know how ugly she is.
Mama used to tell. Let me tell you something. From last year, how many monkey come out for me? Eh? 1 little monkey, 2 little monkey, 3 little monkey, 4 little monkey, 5 little monkey, 6 little monkey, 7 little monkey, 8 little monkey, 9 little monkey, 10, 11, 12. About 500 monkey come out from me. Same amount of ape come out from me. Same amount of gorilla. Same amount of dead dog. Same amount of everything. And I'm here like, nobody ever defeat me. Nobody, not even one.
That's what I'm trying to tell Teeny. Bitch, ain't run nobody off. She ain't write me off, bitch. I don't give a fuck about Love Saunders. What have she ever did for me? I don't know that bitch in real life.
You can't start up nothing about to start.
Look how ugly she is.
No, I'm not interested in rub nobody right, you know. I don't want nobody throw no wood for me and call my name because Annalisa, baby, what's up that 19 hours?
If she call your name, that means she didn't like you. Cause you ain't say nothing about her.
That's true, yeah. You understand? If she and them have argument, remember, you know, she was in them inbox and them in them inbox, and them tell her how to defeat the enemy, you know. Yeah. It not nothing to do with me, you know. I never in her inbox, you know. She never in my inbox, you know. I never give her no tip part of me, you know. So now she and them kick off and them have them distribution and them have them
everybody inbox. She act like she's so innocent. Right. She be in everybody inbox. She used to be in my
and inbox. Them have them price note and them something where them and they not just deal with it. Every notice me be new to me say Keiko not done. Me say Love Saunders done, Keiko done. I do not. Me say because Keiko can manage herself, Brittany can manage herself more than end of the day. If Keiko and Brittany are done, and we have to pick a side, me have to take my team side, and if the rub have to go on, it have to go on.
She was going to put up a post on her story after my video was 5 days old and it hit people business page. After it hit people business page, she ended up putting a story up about me. Somebody sent it to me. I just never addressed it.
You understand? So the end of the day, I don't see why when people and other people have things, they are trying to draw Puss. I'm fucking huge. Like I said, if me can find somebody as real as me, I would be alright right now. Because everything when I do real. Every fucking thing, me not chat behind people back. If me say me ain't have a beef, me don't have a beef. If me say me ain't have nothing, we don't have nothing. Me not go discuss you, me not go entertain certain things because we don't have nothing going on. No manufacture beef. So me not say all the while, because nobody else, me hear a show about nobody else. My daughter breed when, my two daughters, them breed when I'm 15.
She ain't the one gotta take care of the baby. She don't gotta take care of the people. Why she worrying about when they breed?
Them have my daughter Madonna, brilliant mother. And then you must understand the grandparents, them have a good grandmother. You see how me all
Why you do it, John Crow?